New Zealand has become the first country to turn coronavirus free with no new cases reported and no active cases. Meanwhile, in Brazil, 1,382 more people died from COVID-19 as the death toll crossed 37,000. The U.S. has recorded 722 deaths overnight, taking the tally to over 110,000. The global death toll from the coronavirus has exceeded 402,000, with confirmed cases over 7 million. Further details in this report.
When the world is struggling to contain the COVID-19 pandemic, New Zealand has become virus-free. Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern has announced to lift the country's remaining virus restrictions at midnight. Meanwhile, Americas are still the hardest hit region of the world, with death tolls jumping every day. But the New York state is set to emerge from its long coronavirus lockdown today. In the UK, Health Minister Matt Hancock says the anti-racism protests attended by the thousands of people are increasing the risk of virus spread.
The virus itself doesn't discriminate, and gathering in large groups is temporarily against the rules precisely because it increases the risk of the spread of this virus. So I would urge people to make their argument, and I will support you in making that argument, but please don't spread this virus, which has already done so much damage and which we're starting to get under control.
Elsewhere in Asia, restrictions are also being relaxed in Indonesia and India. China says it will further strengthen the country's public health system to enhance its capacity of response to public health emergencies.
First, we will further improve the input mechanism for public health, improve the basic conditions for disease prevention and control, and further strengthen and improve public health services. Second, we will have a more specific mandate for the functions of disease control centres at different levels.
In South Korea, new cases have slowed, but concerns remain over a second wave of the outbreak as the country enters its final phase of reopening schools.